A little behind the scenes episode.
I think behind the scenes doesn't. I would like to know Tom did a lot of that technical camera work. We were getting to have a good time in the balcony, and Tom's running around sweating, trying to get shots of Greer in the balcony.
Yeah, it was almost like all worth it for that one shot of Greer. Jeff like made a joke insinuating that Greer won like a super fan contest.
Shout out, by the way, King. We have a dozen Frankettes super fan. He won the super fan contest. Barstool Sports' own employee, Michael Greer.
And as I look up, all you see is like a hand reach out and give the middle finger. And it wound up being like just a perfect shot of Greer.